finally on our way. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really impressed by this roof tent. I mean, there is literally no noise. I hardly know it's there. I mean, there's a little bit of wind noise now, but it's flippin' windy today. I mean, there's basically a little bit of a storm happening. Well, there was. The versatility of it, when you're having to drive long distance on the highway, is my fuel consumption has stayed the same for now. And body roll, I mean, I've been driving it around Cape Town suburbs the whole week since the guys from Go Camp installed it on my car. And if I didn't know there was a rooftop tent on my roof, I mean, I've been driving as normal. I mean, my car doesn't feel heavy. I don't feel like I'm limited in any way whatsoever. I'm driving between 110 and 120. I'm following another Jimny driver. We're driving exactly the same way that we would usually drive. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I mean, I might plan my next trip to Namibia with this thing. I mean, we still got to test it, actually camp with it. But, yeah. Yay! Front runner roof tents from Go Camp. Super excited. We're going to stop just now and then I'm going to show you exactly how much shit I've got in this car, because I've literally got like everything from Go Camp. The 40-litre Luna fridge to keep all our beverages cool tomorrow, because apparently it's one of the 4x4 track is an epically thrilling one, but it gets cuck hot and it's one of the most dehydrating things we will experience over the weekend. So got lots of water and the Luna fridge to keep our stuff cool. I have the battery and power pack, which is very, very cool. So I've got that also weighing down my car. I've got I've basically brought my entire bedroom just because, you know, I want to make the little rooftop tents 5-star, because that's how we roll. Man, camping can't be boring. Here we are. My car is pretty much fully loaded with Go Camp stuff, minus the battery pack, which we now put into that one to make things a little bit lighter. This is pretty much packed to the max. So fully loaded with the 43 kilogram front runner roof tent, 7 kg front runner load bars. So it's 50 kgs on top, and then everything else in it, and then me as well. So far, so good.
job, well done. Okay, that's what they say, 414, don't see you. Come on, let's go.
Grumpy,
Hello.
I need to wee.
Okay. There's toilet paper. There's a bush. Just careful it doesn't tickle you.
So I don't, you know.
Right. There's a big, massive beach blanket towel thing. I could create a screen. And you can pee behind it. Just don't pee on the towel or my foot.
The thought that counts.
Yeah, we are ready to rock and roll to the last of the last before I get transported to the passenger seat.
And then who's driving?
The bear.
Oh, wrong answer.
Okay, Michael Schumacher.
Daddy's driving.
My dad's coming.
Daddy?
Is he behind that bush?